Hello and welcome to the course. Myself Sahil, and today we're going to start a complete course on Git and GitHub. This course will cover almost everything that you require to work with a team or build your own personal projects using the Git and GitHub features. Now, who this course is for? This course is for everyone who wants to learn Git and GitHub and wants to, collaborate and work or even work on their side projects or personal projects. And even if you are working for a company and you want to brush up your concepts, or you just want to know about the workflow, how a team works using Git and GitHub, this course will help you with that. Also, in this course, we will be starting from absolute beginner and we'll be making our way to the advanced level. Plus, this course has no prerequisites. You just require a computer or a laptop or desktop, and any operating system would do. Now let's jump into the course contents. So let's quickly go over to the course contents. This would just be a brief overview of what we would be covering in this course. So these are just the modules, and each of these modules will have its own video. And I would be just briefly going through the course so that you know what all things we would cover in this video. So firstly, we'll be starting with very basics about like what is Git and high level overview and what problem it solves, right? So this is going to be very light, and we're going to start very easy. Then we will move to Git installation. This also is a part of I've added, then we would be going to the Git basics. This is like the fundamentals of Git basics. If you understand this, then the further journey is going to be really easy. So it's about, there are 3 directories: working directory, staging area, repository. What does it mean? What is adding? What is committing? So all this, don't worry if you don't know this terms. If these are strange, don't worry, we'll be going over to this. Then we will be talking about Git branches, which is one of the important features of Git that Git provides you. So yes, we will have a dedicated video too for Git branches. Then we will move to some intermediate concepts like diff, stash, rebase. What are this? Again, if you don't know this, we are going to cover that. Then we will also be talking about undoing changes, like time traveling, restoring some changes, reverting back, all that. So this will be covering your Git, and after this we will be starting with GitHub, right? Before starting GitHub, you need to have this much knowledge or even the basic Git to start with GitHub. So when we start with GitHub, we'll obviously start with the GitHub basics, how to use it, how to set up your SSH, what is remote and all that stuff. Then we will move to GitHub intermediate, getting changes from the remote, fetching, pulling, all these terms we'll go through. Then the final, like the meat of the section, I've put this in one slide, but this is actually a big thing. So there will be a lot of things. So I will be talking about common workflows and how you can collaborate with a team, which is the meat of this course, I would say, and it is also really important. So yeah, these are the contents that we will be going over through this course. So I hope you enjoy the course, and this is going to be very fun. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.